Okay, so I saw this bomb ass picture. Turkey chop on Chicago. Okay, so this plate costs $30 fucking dollars. And I just know it's shrimp, turkey leg, fries, and sausage lathered in barbecue sauce. And I got a hibiscus tea. I'm so excited. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that little Cajun. Wow. You guys. $30. Whoa. I love hibiscus. So refreshing. Look at this though. Oh wow, it just fell off right off the bone. Wow. Fell off the bone how tender that shit was. So this plate is called the BBQ Heaven. And I really wanted it for the sausages. Yeah, that sausage is a little tough, but it's delicious. Especially smothered in that barbecue sauce. It kind of has like a breakfasty sausage flavor. And that turkey leg is crazy. Oops. It is called BBQ Heaven. I think next time I'm gonna ask for less barbecue, just because I love barbecue, but I would like more crunchiness to the fry. But what do you expect? It's BBQ Heaven, so that's just if you prefer it a little less saucy. It's delicious, guys. It's definitely like you have to try it. You need the experience it at least once. I'm feeling very Keith Lee-ish right now. That was delicious. Super tender. That fucking turkey leg was bomb. I thought that sausage was gonna be more like what is it, the andouille sausage? I thought it was gonna be like that kind of sausage, like that sausage from New Orleans. It was more like a breakfast flavor, which I wasn't expecting, but it was still delicious. And just a little too much barbecue for me. But overall, I'm gonna say 6.5 to 7 out of 10.